What's up, everybody? Back here in Panama City. Want to give you guys kind of the walkthrough of Operation Cali Love 102 Moody Drive here in Panama City. That I'm here. This one here should be selling the end of June. Finally, been under contract multiple times with two buyers falling out, and it's just part of the process. A lot of natural light. We had a wall that was here when you first walked in, and then it kind of opened up right here. And so we tore that down, opened this up. I think that made a world of difference. They had a French door here previously, and so we took the door out and just opened that walkway up just to give the whole room more space. And now it just kind of flows. We kept the existing kitchen cabinets and countertops, new appliances, installed the lights there in the kitchen, and we kept the tile. Tile was in decent shape, so wasn't any need to fix that. But we ended up going with vinyl plank throughout the house. And and this was a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and you got the tub here in that bathroom. You got the 2nd bedroom. Then you got the 3rd bedroom here, and you have the master bath with the shower as well too. And and with this one, so this will be a good project. I think we bought this one 142, ended up putting in about 50,000, and we listed for 289. And so we've held this one for over 9 months. So I think we're coming up on month 11, and we got a pool in the back too. So one of the things that I decided not to do was to repaint the pool, because the pool holds water, everything was fine. But what I decided to do was to was like, hey, we'll leave the pool. The pool is structurally sound. It looks ugly, but there's not a lot of houses for sale with the pool. So if they want to paint it in the future, they can. It had this nice outhouse. We actually put the vinyl siding out up on this one. So, but yes, essentially it's a pool house. This is probably about 500 square feet. It's got a couple different rooms. I didn't unlock this one, but you can peek through the window and kind of see in there. But yeah, you got another room behind that wall. Then you got a storage area where you can kind of walk in here to store things. And overall, it's a nice sized backyard here in Panama City. You got the pool and a quiet neighborhood outside of just a dog barking. And we installed that new patio porch and laid the brick here for the pavers to walk out. And we painted the brick as well too. I think that made a world of difference as well, with just the making it look pleasing to the eye. You got the fireplace here, and and that is it. This is Moody Operation Cali Love. But overall, it's an open floor plan. It's about to move in and call this place home. And I'm trying to turn this light off. Where's this light switch? There we go. Forgot to turn the lights off. But this is one of the projects that I love getting back to town and just checking on the progress that the team's made, and because I get to see all these virtually, so it's cool to kind of see the projects and the finished product after the work's been completed, because you only see pictures and videos, and so it's really cool to see it in person. Then you got the washroom and the water heater over here on this side installed there. So that is it. That is Operation Cali Love, y'all. This is it. This is what we do. We flip houses virtually. Make sure you guys tap in. You want to learn how to do this, that I teach and mentor new real estate investors how to get their next deal in 90 days. And this is the process that we go through. This is the transformation that we make happen with real estate investors. Now we got a happy home that a new family can move into, and we're off to the next deal. Hey, let's go. Let's go make some equity happen.